I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you know if your Faceless channel should publish a smaller video now instead of waiting for the bigger, better one? Here's the rule. Publish now if the smaller video is good enough to test the idea. Wait only if the bigger video will materially change the click or the watch time. That's the whole trade-off. I'd use a quick 3-part check. First, does the smaller video still match the channel promise? If your audience would say, yeah, that belongs here, it's eligible to publish. Second, what signal are you buying? Every upload should buy data. Topic signal, title thumbnail signal, or retention signal. If the small video can teach you one of those right now, it has value. Third, how far away is the bigger one really? If it's 1 day away, fine, wait. If it's 5 days away and still missing scripting, assets, and edits, that's not almost done. That's a separate production cycle. So for beginners, my default is this. Ship the smaller video now when it's clean, on topic, and testable. Wait only when the bigger video has a clearly stronger hook, better proof, or a much better payoff. And if you're managing this across a Faceless workflow, Satura is useful for tracking which videos are ready to publish versus just emotionally hard to let go. Don't wait for perfect. Wait for meaningful improvement.